Good morning to all of you. Welcome to e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. I am Dharam Prakash, your mathematics teacher. So students, now today we are going to discuss chapter number 17, triangles. And in this chapter, today we will discuss some questions of exercise 49. So before discussing the questions of exercise 49, so first of all we have to discuss some triangle property. Okay, for first property, you know that property 1, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let's suppose a triangle A B C. A B C is a triangle. So first property we can say sum of these three angles of this triangle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, it means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay, it clear? So now our second property of triangle is sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, greater than the length of the third side of the triangle. Sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side of the triangle. इसका मतलब है a triangle has three sides, so sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. So let's suppose this is a triangle A B C. So side, this is A and this is B and this is C. So length of side BC is A and length of the side AC is B and length of the side AB is C. Okay, so our property is sum of any two sides. So let first side C and A. So AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. Means side AB and side BC, इन दोनों साइड को हम ऐड करते हैं तो थर्ड साइड क्या AC है, इसके लेंथ से क्या होगा, ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, so this is first and second is side BC plus AC is greater than AB. Okay, and third AC plus AB is greater than BC. That implies means AB is C plus BC is A is greater than AC means B. Okay, and second is BC A plus AC B is greater than C, and third is AC is length of AC is B plus length of AB is C is greater than the third side BC, length of BC is A. Okay. Is it clear? So now we will discuss some questions of exercise 49. So question number 4 is in triangle ABC, if first angle A equals to 45 degree, angle B equals to 65 degree, then find angle C. Okay. So first of all we have to draw a triangle A B C. So angle A equals to 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree, and angle B equals to 65 degree. This angle is 65 degree. So find this angle. Angle C is what? So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. For angle C equals to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. Okay. So angle C equals to 180 degree minus angle A is 45 degree plus angle B is 65 degree. So 180 degree minus 65 plus 45, 110 degree. So now subtract 180 degree minus 110 degree. So this is equals to 70 degree. So angle C equals to 70 degree. So this angle C equals to 70 degree. Okay. So this is question A, and now question B. Triangle ABC, angle BAC equals to 120 degree. BAC, angle BAC equals to 120 degree, and angle ABC equals to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So find angle ACB या BAC. Okay. So now angle BAC equals to 180 degree minus angle BAC, angle BCA. दिस एंगल फाइंड करना है BCA, ठीक है. तो एंगल BCA इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल ABC. For 180 degree minus angle BAC equals to 120 degree plus angle ABC equals to 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So now 180 degree minus 120 plus 30, 150 degree. So now subtract 180 minus 150. So this is 30 degree. Okay. So this angle is 30 degree. So angle BCA equals to 30 degree. Is it clear? So question number 3, angle A equals to angle C equals to 25 degree. It means angle A is equals to angle C and both angle is equals to 75 degree. Okay, it means angle A equals to 75 degree and angle C equals to 75 degree. So find angle B. So angle B equals to what? Okay. So angle B equals to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle C. So 180 degree minus angle A 75 plus angle B 75. So 180 degree minus 75 plus 75, 150 degree. Okay. So 180 degree minus 150 degree. This is equals to 30 degree. So angle B equals to 30 degree. Is it clear? Now next question D. Angle A equals to angle B and angle C equals to 90 degree. So let's draw a triangle. This is right angle triangle. So angle C equals to 90 degree and angle A equals to angle B. Angle A and angle B are equal. So let angle A equals to angle B is equals to x degree. So this angle is x degree and this angle is x degree. So we know that sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle A is x, angle B is x. So x degree plus x degree plus angle C is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So now x plus x, 2x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So now 2x equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So this is equals to 90 degree. So x equals to 90 by 2. So this is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 45 degree. So angle A equals to angle B. So this is equals to 45 degree. Okay, is it clear? So now last question, question number E. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C. These triangles have, these three angles have equal measurement. Okay, it means angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C and these three angles is equals to x degree. So now angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree and angle A equals to x degree plus B equals to x degree plus C equals to x degree. These three angles have same measurement or this is equals to 180 degree. So x degree plus x degree plus x degree. 3x degree equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 divided by 3. So this is 60 times. So x equals to 60 degree. So angle A equals to 60 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree and angle C equals to 60 degree. Is it clear? So now next question, question number 5. Question number 5. In which of the following case is a triangle possible with the given group of angles? Okay. So here is some groups of angles right here. So we have to check which groups can have possible a triangle. A triangle have possible if and only if this sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Otherwise not possible. So first of all we have to check this group. So sum of these three angles 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 30 degree. So this is equals to 90 plus 60 150 plus 30 180 degree. For sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degree. So S triangle is possible. Okay, because sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Now second 77 degree plus 84 degree plus 20 degree. So sum of these angles, so 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 1, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. So this sum of these three angle is 181 degree. So this is not equals to 180 degree. So no, triangle is not possible. Okay, and this group have 59 degree plus 60 degree plus 61 degree. So sum of these three angles 1 plus 0 1 plus 9, 10 का 0 carry 1, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1, 13 plus 5 18. So this is equals to 180 degree. So we can write S triangle is possible. And this groups have 135 degree plus 22 degree plus 22 degree. So sum of these three angles 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 9 and 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 3 7 and this is 179 degree and so this is not equals to 180 degree. So this triangle is not possible. Okay, and now question number 6. Question number 6. Find the measure of the angle of triangle if all the angles are equal. Okay, so let's suppose draw a triangle A, B, C. Each angle is equal. So this is x degree and this is x degree and this is x degree. So sum of these three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So x plus x plus x equals to 180 degree. So this is 3x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 by 3. So this is cancel out 60 times. So x equals to 60 degree. So each angle of this triangle is equal. So angle A is 60 degree and angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 60 degree. Okay, so now next question, question number 7. So now question number 6 or 7. In which of the following case is the construction of a triangle ABC is possible? तो हम लोग को इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है कि चेक करना है ये ट्रायंगल का थ्री साइड हैव गिवन साइड AB इक्वल्स टू 3 सेंटीमीटर, BC इक्वल्स टू 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड CA इक्वल्स टू 1 सेंटीमीटर। तो इन थ्री साइड का मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है, तो हम लोग को चेक करना है क्या हम लोग ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पॉसिबल है या नहीं है। तो इसके लिए हम लोग को चेक करना पड़ेगा सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड, सो वी कैन से ट्रायंगल इज पॉसिबल। ओके, सो चेक फॉर केस वन साइड AB प्लस BC इज ग्रेटर देन AC, साइड AB plus BC is greater than AC. So AB equals to 3 centimeter plus BC equals to 4 centimeter and AC equals to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So 4 plus 3, 7 centimeter is greater than 1 centimeter. So first case is satisfied and case 2. Side BC plus CA is greater than AB. These two sides, sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. So BC equals to 4 centimeter plus CA equals to 1 centimeter is greater than AB. AB equals to 3 centimeter. So 4 plus 1, this is 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. So this case is satisfied. And case number 3, case third, CA plus AB is greater than BC. So CA is 1 centimeter and AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. So 3 plus 1 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So sum of these two facts is equal to the third fact. Okay, so this is not greater than the third fact. Okay, so third case is not satisfied. So we can say triangle ABC is not possible. Okay. So now today your homework. Do exercise 49. Question number 4 to 7. Okay. Thank you.